This roasted veggie couscous bowl is one of those meals that just makes you feel good. Fresh, colorful, and easy enough for any day of the week. You'll need couscous, yellow onion, broccoli, red bell pepper, and cherry tomatoes. A little olive oil and a pinch of herbs tie everything together. It's simple, it's bright, and it's done in no time. Drizzle your veggies with olive oil. Sprinkle with salt, pepper, and a touch of oregano, then roast until tender and golden. Here's a quick couscous trick. Once you pour in your hot water or broth, cover it and let it sit. No stirring, no stress. The steam does all the work. If colorful, feel-good bowls are your thing, tap like so I know to keep them coming. It helps the channel grow and keeps the creativity cooking. Fluff your couscous, then add the roasted veggies on top. Finish with a drizzle of olive oil or a squeeze of lemon. It's light, but still deeply satisfying. Bright, warm, and full of flavor, this bowl has such a simple kind of magic. You'll find the full recipe in the pinned comment. See you next time.